sounds mean. Hello Hennessey family, my name is Alex. We're on the Pennzoil Proving Ground test track, and behind me we have two very unique and very opposite vehicles. We have a mid-engine dual clutch transmission borderline supercar, a brand new Z06. It's the LT6 Z06 flat plane 5.5 liter V8. It revs to the moon and it's really awesome. It's really more of a track car. And then right next to it, you have the brand new Hennessey Mammoth 1200. The Mammoth 1200 is how we're gonna end the Mammoth lineup with an absolute bang. It's got the most horsepower we've ever delivered on a Mammoth platform vehicle. We're going from 702 factory crank horsepower all the way up to 1200 horsepower, so almost doubling the horsepower output. That's actually crazy to think about. If you want the full 1200 horsepower out of this Mammoth, you are gonna need to run E85. We left off the off-road bumpers, the off-road steps, the automatic bed cover, some of the creature comforts and off-road goodies that you might expect. It doesn't even have 20-inch wheels, it's got our 18-inch wheel package. This is all in the name of performance and weight savings. This truck is all focused on how can we make the most horsepower reliably, how can we get down the track or the street as fast as we can, and what sports cars or even supercars are we maybe gonna beat out there in the world. So unlike a lot of horsepower suppliers out there, once you cross that 1,000 horsepower threshold, you really might not get a warranty, but we've done a lot of extensive R&D on this package to make sure we can offer this much horsepower and still give you a warranty so you can feel comfortable using this amazing machine. Without further ado, what you've all been waiting for, I'm gonna shut up and we're gonna get in these cars and we're gonna race them right down the Pennzoil Proving Ground test track.